Welcome to the Bodhi Academy. My name is Shrutika and today let us learn about the structure of DNA. So we all know that DNA is the genetic material wherein it helps in continuation of the generation from generation. So DNA carries the genetic material from one generation to another generation. So now what are we going to study is how the structure of DNA is, as in what is the structure and which are the different parts of the DNA. So DNA is basically deoxyribonucleic acid and the short form for this is DNA. So DNA consists of two parts, that is the first part, it is the sugar phosphate backbone and the base pairs. So there are different base pairs, that is adenine, cytosine, thymine and guanine. So these are the base pairs which are held by the sugar phosphate backbones. So we will see each of this component and their function in detail now. So the first part is the sugar phosphate backbone. So the sugar phosphate backbone is the structural framework of DNA RNA molecule. It consists of alternating sugar, that is deoxyribose in DNA and ribose in RNA, and phosphate group covalently linked in a chain. So this backbone gives DNA its strength and flexibility, while the base attached to the sugar carries the genetic codes. So this is how the sugar phosphate bonds make the backbone of the DNA. Now let us see which are the different base pairs of the DNA. So the first base pair is the adenine. So adenine is one of the four nitrogenous base pairs found in DNA and RNA molecule. It is an essential component of the nucleotide which forms the building block of genetic material. So this adenine forms the building block of genetic material. In DNA, adenine pairs specifically with thymine held together by two hydrogen bonds ensures the consistent structure of the DNA double helix. So this adenine is always paired with a second base pair, that is the thymine. So this forms a helix structure of the DNA. Second base pair is thymine. So thymine is a nitrogenous base exclusively found in DNA. It's part of the nucleotide structure and forms base pair with adenine. So adenine and thymine forms the base pair together. When the two comes together, they are connected by two hydrogen bonds, a connection vital for the stability of the DNA's double helix structure. So the third base pair is guanine. Guanine is a critical nitrogenous base pair present in both DNA and RNA. As the part of nucleotide structure, guanine always pairs with cytosine in DNA. So guanine always pairs with what? Cytosine. So creating a strong bond using 3 hydrogen bonds. This specific pairing is essential for the proper encoding and replication of genetic information. The fourth one is cytosine. So cytosine is one of the 4 primary nitrogenous base pairs in DNA and RNA. Within the DNA molecule, cytosine always pairs with guanine, forming a triple hydrogen bond connection. This pairing is instrumental in preventing the integrity and specific sequence of genetic data in the organism. So these are the different base pairs in the structure of the DNA, and we have also seen what is the function of the sugar phosphate backbone. So this sugar phosphate backbone with the base pairs, that is adenine, thymine, guanine and cytosine, forms the structure of the DNA. So we have seen how the structure and what are the different functions of these components in a DNA. So this was about today's video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe to the Bodhi Academy.